start. Who would you choose?
अभी रहने से पहले practice कर लेते हैं.
नहीं, rapid है. It's recording. Endorse. Who would you choose to endorse Botox?
Be loud.
Subhashni ma'am.
Okay, who would you give bunking classes 101?
Abhay Mal.
If you were a teacher, you would be like?
Sandeep sir.
Have you ever peed in the school swimming pool? If you were gay, which friend would you have made a pass on?
I won't have.
Okay, what does the teacher actually mean when she says your class is a fish market?
She actually means that she can't take anything and she just wants to sleep. She wants to give us a free period. She's just angry. She fought with the husband or something.
Who suits the role of Ram and Lakshman the Jodi best?
Shaurya Thakur and Anil Arora.
What would be the film on your life we call?
Golmaal.
Do you have any phobias?
Not really.
Okay, one thing that you wish hadn't changed in the school.
I think I hate these cameras, and one thing I thought Lal Singh was best, man. He just got.
Following products: insect repellent cream.
Sushi ma'am.
Who suits the role of Hanuman the best?
Hanuman. Sahil from Rag.
Do you have any phobias?
No.
What was the worst nickname given to you in school?
I was called Yamini Krishnamurthy.
Who is your funniest batchmate?
Funniest. Hans.
Batchmate.
Hidanj.
Yeah, the dance is really funny.
What will you do if you woke up one day to find out that you've turned into Shubhro sir?
मेरे बच्चे कहाँ गए?
You're the old canteen kathi or the new Rajma Chawal?
Old canteen party. Can't I say Lal Singh's pastries?
What does the teacher actually mean when she says, put your head down, don't disturb me?
If you put your head down, you're going to the principal.
Who would you give this book to? 10 ways to stay faithful.
Rahat.
Thank you. Hanuman the best in your batch.
Hanuman. Ayushman.
Ram and Lakshman.
Ram and Lakshman. Dhruv and Anmol.
Sita.
Sita. There is no Sita in our life.
Devdas. Devdas.
Devdas.
Sani.
Sani.
Okay, the old choices, the old uniform or the new uniform?
Old uniform.
The old Kathi or the new Rajma Chawal?
Old country.
The old principal or the new one?
Definitely.
No, new one.
Okay. If you woke up one day and realized that you've turned into Shubhro sir, what would you do?
I just want all the kids I've collected over here.
CNBC के इंटरव्यू ये फ्रेंड ये स्कॉलर है
Choices?
Hrithik or Dhruv. That's true. Okay, Mehak Akshay or Pavni Akam. Mehak Akshay. Pavni Akam जानते हैं. No, there's one more. Anmol and Sadhika.
No way! Yes.
That is so not true. Ragvi, Hrithik or Rahat Chandra. Which are more dysfunctional? No.
Who were better
I
together?
guess Rahat and Sanjana. Sanjana or Abhiraj. Sorry?
Sanjana.
Abhiraj. Sanjana.
Shreya or Yamini?
Oh, I'm the self-centered type, Shreya.
Anger management the easy way.
Sadhna.
No teacher, student.
Sadhna. No teacher. Sadhna.
Student.
Yeah. 10 ways to stay faithful.
Go and drink, yeah.
He doesn't know.
Someone who's very unfaithful.
He doesn't know. Slack.
Okay, what would you do if you were stranded on an island with Sadhna ma'am?
He would take her shoes.
जूते दे दूंगा कपड़े में जूते रख
नहीं, साधना के जूते लेके सीधे फेंकेगा.
साधना को जूते क्यों हमेशा के लिए.
One thing you wish hadn't changed in the school.
DM.
And something you wish you could change.
Dear.
You could make all the stuff in these smoking rooms.
And 3 things that are must-haves in school.
Ashtray, like
नहीं. Absolute vodka. और phone.
cell phones.
Cell phone. And better girl.
And shoes.
More shoes.
More shoes. For Saturday.
Megan Fox.
Megan Fox. Megan Fox.
No, the other one.
Okay.
Ishita, you shut up. Ishita, you want.
Old school uniform or the new one?
She doesn't know.
Okay, you.
New school.
Old kathi in the canteen or the new Rajma Chawal?
Old
And she had the
Rajma.
Rajma and the
They both actually.
Yeah. What was the worst nickname given to you in school? Donkey.
तेज बोलो यार. चुटकी. पूछ.
Okay, who would you choose to endorse Botox?
Not a teacher. Batchmate.
Can't use a teacher's name.
What do you think?
I'm thinking.
Okay, next. Insect repellent cream.
Next.
English speaking course.
English speaking course. Subhashri.
Volume.
Subhashri, ma'am.
Ma'am, yeah.
The old school uniform or the new one?
New school uniform.
Who suits the role of Hanuman the best?
Javan Singh Digra.
Ram and Lakshman's story.
Another Navichal.
Jay and Veenu.
Jay and Veenu. Hrithik and Dhruv. Which part of? Stop
Jay
it,
and Veenu are
man.
best friends, right?
यार कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है यहाँ पे.
A piece of advice for Seema Chopra.
They're gonna watch it. Don't say.
Morning, I'm gonna miss you.
यार
Listen.
If you were gay, who would you have hit on?
Ishan Sehgal. No, the other junior.
Then. Shan Sehgal.
And you?
No, touch wood, I'm not.
I won't be gay. No, dude, lesbian. Yeah, that's really the thing.
I don't know, Kanika, Meghna, Sana, anyone. The list goes on and on and on and on and on.
Listen, I don't like girls. I hate girls. No, I love them.
Girls can be gay, but. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they can. You don't know that? Yeah, that's called gay. They can be gay.
Which is the person you wish to be stranded on an island with?
Ragni Sal.
Okay.
Choices.
Why are you joking? It's okay. Choice.
Okay, choices. Ragvi or Sana Ghai?
It's not tough, Manik. I don't think it's tough.
Ragni.
Abhiraj or Sanchit?
For me, Sachin.
Harshita or Avantika?
Avantika.
Seema Chopra, Seema Ahuja, Seema Chadha.
I really don't
I don't know any
who's
of
Seema
them.
Chopra ma'am.
Chadda, who's Chadda?
I remember, I only know Chadda ma'am.
Vanita.
Chopra ma'am is which one?
Mine.
I don't know which one is. Okay, Chopra ma'am.
So, Chopra.
Who would you give a book of anger management to? Who suits the role of Laila Majnu the best? And Devdas?
Hrithik Malik.
Kathi or Rajma Chawal?
Rajma Chawal.
What would you be doing 12 years from now?
Party. That's something which I will do.
What's the longest period you've gone without a bath?
She needs to answer that. She needs to answer that.
What's the question?
I did every day. What a bet.
Shut up, you never did.
Okay, what does the teacher mean when she says this class is a fish market?
I couldn't. Rahat, get out.
Class is full of children like me.
Who would you choose to endorse an English speaking course?
Choose to endorse in English. Rohina ma'am.
Okay, choices Kanika or Meghna?
Kanika.
Mehak and Akshay or Pavni and Akansh?
No, I don't like them as a couple.
Pavni and Akash.
Hrithik or Dhruv Dutt?
Hrithik.
Who do you choose to endorse these products? Botox.
No teacher, have to say a student.
Botox.
Okay, next.
Insect repellent cream.
Kashish Guleria.
English speaking course.
Kashish Guleria.
Beauty cream.
Ragvi.
Okay, books. Okay, if you had to give one of these, these books to any one person, who would it be? 10 ways to stay faithful.
That's nasty.
Anger management, the easy way.
Rahat.
Choices.
Satinder sir. With all due respect to DM
Old
sir.
basketball court, new basketball.
New basketball court.
Old uniform, new uniform.
New uniform.
What does the teacher mean when she says, those who don't want to study, get out of the class?
If you get out, you're dead.
Who suits the role of Hanuman?
Javant.
Devdas.
I want to say Kashish, but no.
Leila
Majnu.
No, Akansh is old.
Javiru.
Javiru, I know this one. Javiru.
I know this one.
No. I'll tell you. Ritik and Dhruvda.
If you were a teacher, you would be like?
Punit, sir.
One piece of advice to Sadhana.
Sadhana ma'am.
Okay. What will you do the day you find out that you turn into Shubhra sir?
Shubhra sir. Come on, stretch.
Who would you want to be stranded on an island with?
Sneh ma'am.
And if you were stranded on an island with Hola ma'am, what would you do?
Health tips.
Who's your
For people who don't know this, she comes to school and she works out before school actually starts.
amazing choice? It's very difficult. Abhiraj or Sanchit?
As what?
Choice.
Abhiraj or Sanchit? Just choose one.
Abhiraj.
Okay. Very difficult, I must say. Nikita or Simha?
Nikita!
Kanika or Meghna?
Sana.
Yamini or Shreya?
Shreya.
Sana or Raghu?
Sana.
Ritik or Dhruvda?
Ritik.
Ragvi, Ritik or Rahat Sanjana?
Ritik Sanjana. No.
Rahat
Sanjana.
Manik or Jayant?
Jayant.
Sanjana Suri or Shreya Dhawan?
Sanjana Suri.
Alright then, we're done.
I'm his father.
Kathi or Rajma?
Huh?
Kathi or Rajma?
Kathi, yeah. Samosa.
Old basketball court or new?
Huh?
Old basketball court or
New basketball. New, obviously.
Old uniform or new? Don't answer that.
Old winter uniform and
band wale coat hatao.
out.
Who suits the role of in your batch? Hanuman.
Javant.
Ram and Lakshman.
The Jodi.
Ritik and Dhruv.
Sita.
Ragvi.
Ravan.
Rahat.
यार ये तुम ना बकवास बना रहे हो यार ये
क्या?
मैं तो क्वेश्चन पूछने आ रहे हैं
Have you ever peed in the swimming pool?
No I haven't.
No comment.
If you could change your name.
I peed in school on the floor, not in the swimming pool. Outside class 3F. Dare मिला था और
What class are you in?
12F.
अभी?
Okay.
हाँ last year 11th में.
Who was your
साल निकलवा रहे हैं हमसे
निकालने देना
So your
बराबर.
first crush. Your first crush.
I know Abhiraj is.
First crush. स्कूल में नहीं यार. क्या करें?
School के अंदर.
स्नेह मैम.
What would you be doing 12 years from now?
What would I be?
Married to 10 kids.
Ask me about tomorrow. I can't tell you.
Okay, a piece of advice to Hola ma'am.
चलाना कम कर.
And if you were stranded on an island with Sadhana ma'am, what would you do?
Haircut.
Boycott.
2 things you need to have in school.
Shisha lounge inside the reception. Or alcohol out in the canteen.
Okay, if you
निकवा. ये कोई कुछ करने नहीं वाले, दिखाने कुछ नहीं वाले.
खत्म हो जाएंगे अगर ये दिखाना खत्म हो जाएंगे.
if you woke up one day and realized that you turned into Shubhra sir, what would you do?
Stretch. Yes. बच्चा नहीं हो रहा है.
What was the worst nickname ever given to you?
How do I?
सीमा मैम भी सबके चाटे मारने वाली है.